Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the Joby Gorillapod for the action cameras like GoPro or DJI Osmo Action. So I have both the cameras, GoPro and Osmo Action, and I'm going to use this Gorillapod with my Osmo Action and GoPro. So I have the Shorty which I always use for walk around vlogging or any travel vlogging, but I was looking for some versatile tripod. Then this is the one I got it to use with these action cameras. Nice packaging, and it's Joby Action Series Gorillapod Action Tripod, and the information to this one I'm giving it below in the description and link and then price. And it has the integrated aluminum ball head which is built-in one, and you can rotate 360 degrees or tilt plus or minus 90 degrees. That's what the box says. Let's see what's inside. And couple of pages of the manual. Comes with the two quick release clips, mount for GoPro and the standard 1x4" 20 tripod clips. So it works with all your action cameras. You can see that you can expand, lay flat on the table or any flat surface. You can bend different angles. And pretty sturdy. So the quick release clip for the any SLR camera, just attach it to your SLR camera and mount on top of this one. And same quick release clip for the GoPro or any action camera, just slide in and start using the mount. And the screw where you can tilt or pan the ball head mount or ball head. So it's really strong. I mean, once you started using it, you feel it how nice it is when compared to big tripods. So only drawback is this will not come along with this screw. So where you need to buy in addition to this, or if you have any um, action cameras with the screw, you can reuse that screw here. Once you attach it, it's really sturdy and it secure the camera almost anywhere. Flexible, wrappable legs with rubberized rings and foot grips provide stability. You see that precise control with integrated ball head. And another thing is you can also attach, if you have additional accessories comes with other tripods for your smartphones. You can also attach your smartphone with this mount. I'm just trying to hook it to my table. I'm sure it will not fit it there, but I need to try on some other surfaces. or some other you know different things. But it is a versatile, flexible tripod with integrated ball head for even or uneven terrain, including a table, rock, branch, pole, or anything. If you like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe below. And more information about this tripod is um, given below in the description, and also link to the tripod. Thank you so much.